A money mule is someone who moves stolen money from one bank account to another. They're recruited, often unknowingly, by criminals to move money they've made from criminal activity. When scammers use money mules, they make it harder for authorities to track them down, so they can commit more crimes without getting caught. Fraudsters approach their money mule victims in a variety of ways, including social media, email, mail, or phone. However, money mule scams are typically disguised as online job opportunities. They promise a fast and easy way to earn money. You simply provide your bank account information and let money be transferred into your account. Then you move the money out of your account for a commission. Sounds great, right? These scams often look very appealing, which is why so many people fall for them. But behind the scenes, they're helping fraudsters commit serious crimes. Be cautious of unsolicited emails and social posts. Verify company information or give them a call. Double-check job offers from overseas companies. Never give out your bank account information. If you have fallen victim to the Money Mule scam, please contact us at 866-360-5370 or stop by your local branch to speak with a Cist Representative.